been raining all day. It's about to be warm though, so I'm gonna let the birds out. Look at all that. Jesus, look at all that food going to waste. Y'all ready? Let's see if they with it. Come on, if y'all gonna get it. Oh, y'all tired? Oh, she gone. Right here, right here. So you gonna get it too? There you go. Oh, come on now, what's that? Oh. Okay, we doing something. Oh, come on. They gotta roll down in the bitch or what? Why that fool keep rolling down like that? Keep trying to roll down. Oh. Damn. They just tripping. My birds though. They out now. I think it's about to rain in a little bit. I'm gonna lock them up again. But I'm gonna let them fly for now. We only got 2 babies left, man. Unfortunately, this one right here, I think he's gonna be a cock. Can already tell he's a bad little motherfucker. And I think this might be a bald head. Might. Which I'm hoping to it be. I hope this one turns into a bald head. His dad is a not a full bald head, but I forget what they call it. But he's basically a bald head. He's just not all the way white at the head. But I hope this bird right here turned into a little bald head, man. He lost his sibling. So shit, they the only ones, man.